Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to SMT. Today I'm going to speak about a very important topic. How much is the expenditure of an average student staying in Turkey? Staying in Turkey can be divided into two parts: staying in Istanbul or staying outside Istanbul. All Turkey outside Istanbul is quite cheap. Normally, there are two kinds of hostels. One is a public hostel. A public hostel normally costs you 200 to 300 lira. There are many private hostels. Outside Istanbul, the hostels normally charge you around 500 liras to 700 liras. In 500 liras, they give you bedding, they give you a study table, they give you 7/24 security, they give heating, electricity, all included. This is a normal hostel. All these facilities are there. And a place for prayer, this is all included normally. But this does not include food. In a private hostel outside Istanbul, normally they charge 800 liras to 900 liras with food, with messing. It includes 2 times meal, breakfast and dinner. Normally the lunch is taken by the student at university campus. The same kind of facilities inside the Istanbul city normally costs you 14 to 1500 liras. So it's nearly double inside the Istanbul because it's a big city, as you can understand. 7/24 internet is there and heating is provided in winters. The third category is those students who want to live independently. You can hire an apartment through Sahibinden.com. That's a very famous site in Turkey. Search a suitable apartment for yourself, and this normally costs from 500 liras to 1500 liras per month. The cost of electricity per student should be around 60-70 liras. Up to 100 lira it can go because you have refrigerator and everything. The water usage expenditure is nearly 35 to 70 liras. And an independent Wi-Fi connection would cost you around 100 lira. So your utilities would cost you around 700 and 300 for these facilities. Roughly, you will spend 1000 lira a month apart from your rent. You can live conveniently in Istanbul in 2000 liras. Don't forget, if you're inside Istanbul, do get an Istanbul card. That card is a metro card. It helps you to go anywhere, so you can move around in barely 60 liras a month. So I wish you a very wonderful stay in Istanbul. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.